Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your ebook for plagiarism using Plagiarism Checker tool. In the last video, I showed you how to gather information online to use in your ebook. So I've done that for my site too. I've gathered all the information I need to to publish my book. So the next thing I will do is to check uh, online to see if uh, this my book is free from plagiarism. So this I'm going to go about it. I'm going to search online for plagiarism checker tool to see the various one available for us. So as you can see here, we have a lot of them here, so you can choose anyone to try out. But i I actually use Grammarly as my choice of plagiarism checker tool. I also recommend that because it's free and you can use a lot of it. I mean, there is limitation. I mean, the limitation is quite not that much. I mean, for a free tool, unlike some other ones available online. So there are two ways to go about this. I mean, to check your book for plagiarism. The first one is either you just copy a part of it like this. So I just check for that section. So here is what you here is how the interface will look like when you scan it. So the area that is most important to us is this part where we have plagiarism was detected. Of course, Grammarly has other features that allows you to either check for grammar issues, punctuation, spelling enhancement, and the other ones. But what we're actually checking for here, and the one that's most important as far as self-publishing is concerned, I mean, as regards as plagiarism checking is concerned, is this part. So here, as you can see, plagiarism was detected, which simply means that you still need a lot of work to do on this book. You can't just go ahead and publish this book like that on Amazon will definitely sanction you or sanction your account for that. So the other way to check or to use this tool is to simply upload the file. So uploading the file will upload the entire document, so for scanning. So let's wait while it's okay. Now we have it here now. So this is the entire document. So let's scan the entire document. uh, okay, what we still have here, as you can see, is that significant plagiarism was detected, which means that there's a large number of issues regarding plagiarism with this book. Now, what we do in this case is to go back to check areas affected and correct accordingly. You can also rewrite it, but the problem again with just checking the entire file is that you might not know where or which area is actually having this issue. So the best way to go about to detect the area that is you know creating this issue is to check it section by section. You can do like, okay, copy this area and say okay, you check for that. So if that is free of plagiarism, then you can try other ones. Of course, with that way, you are going to know areas that is affected. I mean, areas that is actually causing this problem. So I've already written that book. I mean, written that book to be free of plagiarism. So here I have it as okay. So let's scan and check for that. So Okay, so let's scan for it. Okay, here we go. Now, as you can see, once your book is free of plagiarism, this is what you are going to get. Plagiarism was not detected. So that means it's free from any kind of plagiarism issues. It's free, nothing was detected. So this is what you should get. Now, that is all for this video. In the next video, we are going to complete editing our ebook and also convert it to PDF file format.